In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exchange your USD for euros using your Revolut Bank app. Now, the first thing you want to do will be to log into your Revolut Bank app, and once you're on the home screen, you navigate to add money, exchange, details, and more. We click on exchange. So once you click on exchange, depending on the default currency of your account, you would find that in the top corner and the currency you intend to convert to in the bottom corner. So what we want to do here, since we are interested in converting USD to euro, we go to this and click on it and include USD. All right, so once you click on USD, you can also choose the currency that you intend to change it to. For example, the United Arab Emirates dirham or Australian dollar. But what we are interested in today is just the euro. We're converting from USD to euros, so you can just include the amount, for example, 5. And if you have sufficient balance in your Revolut Bank app, this will be green. But since I do not have sufficient balance, that's why it is red. So once you have done that, you'll be able to find the conversion rate. For example, this is $1 equals 0.93345 euros. So if you are interested and this looks good to you, just review order, and afterwards you will get to a confirmation page where it shows you the conversion rate and other details, the fees that would also be accrued, and you click on complete. Once you click on complete, you would get euros in your Revolut Bank app. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.